about nail art. The other day when I was doing my studio reset, a package came. So I thought we'd open it together. So I just had it sitting here waiting to finish this reset. So let's open this together. So this package was sent to me from Ugly Duckling. They are going to be included in my new series. Okay, so this is what came. I'm not reviewing this yet. I'm just going to show you guys. I'll share my honest thoughts on this stuff later. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys what came. Let's start here with acrylic. So we do have the core powders here. The core acrylic powders. We have, let's open these up. It says it on the side. But I'm still going to open them. Okay, so we have the milky white, milky pink, clear, and foo-foo. So I know that the foo-foo is their super popular core powder, cover pink. So I'm really excited to try this one. The packaging is really, really nice. Let's take a look at what these brushes are. There's some brushes here. Okay, so we have some brushes. Again, nice packaging. This one's called the Velveteen too. Ooh. One side, oh, this is for the Acrogel. This one's for Acrogel. Okay, cool. So we got our Acrogel brush, and then this is called Easy Peasy. Let's take a look at this brush. Okay, this is cool. This is a gel brush. So one side is a gel brush, and the other side comes with a liner brush. So gel brush and liner brush was just cool because if you know when you're doing like hard gel and stuff and you apply it, you sometimes want to use a small brush to move it into place. So that is smart. I already own the acrylic brush right here, the size 10. Okay, so we have the Ugly Duckling Hema-free monomer. I didn't know they had Hema-free monomer. Did you guys know that? That is really convenient because I know a lot of people are looking for Hema-free and Hema-free brands. So Ugly Duckling, they have Hema-free line. I didn't know that, and now you guys know that too if you didn't know that. And here's what that bottle looks like. They're really, really nice. Nice black bottles. Everything's kind of matte and clean. We have the Acrogel. I really like how they come in these little containers. We have a clear and a rose quartz. Ooh, that sounds pretty. So we have the Hema-free sculpting gel. So I have a clear here, a pink, and a thick clear, which is great. And then we have these. We have the Build-A-Base in the soft pink, the Build-A-Base in the foo-foo, Build-A-Base clear, Hema-free primer and prep, and this is called the Builder Bestie. So I'm excited to give this a try. This is clear. So we're gonna do a video on these later. For now, let's put them in our new ugly drawer. Okay, so I also do have their lamp as well. So I have literally a full rounded system. I like to try to make sure that I am using my lamp with the system. So we can get more into that later. Okay, so I passed off some of that product to someone I know, a nail tech in town, and she came and she picked it up and she dropped off actually a little bit. She made it. Whoa. Cool. This is cool. That's not what I was expecting. She said she had a plant. She made me a plant. I'm like, I wonder what she's talking about. That is way cooler than I was expecting. I'm putting this in here, obviously. I want to take down my ornaments because Felix is currently mounting. So I have like kind of some time to do that. I got this spider ornament this year at a craft fair. I feel like I like it so much that I don't want to pack it away, you know? So I moved my room around again. Just can't help it. It's because this felt really crammed with my like art. See, they come out further. So I felt really crammed. And this is really short. And then now I can just go back and forth. Work desk. This is way bigger. Then the small desk is my computer desk. And then I just have my art in that one, and I gotta organize these. I haven't decided how. I mean, I can always film something and then not use it. Okay. Today I'm gonna work on my nails, and I thought it'd be fun to do a little studio chat. This can be a new series called Studio Chats. Today we're gonna talk about nail allergy. I'm working on my nails today. Okay, let's start that again. Cut. Welcome to Studio Chats. Today I'm going to be doing my own nails, just casually. I don't need to say that. Cut. This is a set I filmed for the first episode of my new series called Studio Chats. It's a little different from my usual videos. It's more relaxed and it's going to be real time. Just me talking while I work. That video will probably be up next Friday, so make sure you guys subscribe for that. Once these were done, I moved straight into filming today's sponsored part of the vlog. Before I finish up in here, this part of today's vlog is sponsored by She Said Yes Jewelry, and I actually picked out something really special from their site. This is their Twinkling Love Ring. It is a 0.3 carat marquise cut with side stones. And I picked the gold version because I've been really into daintier pieces lately. I love how delicate it is, but it still sparkles so much. And the crossover shank style band just makes it feel really unique. They are doing a Valentine's Day promotion right now, so if you're shopping for yourself or dropping hints, you can get 15% off with the code you see at the bottom of the screen. If you're looking for this exact ring, you can search this idea on their website. Huge thank you to She Said Yes Jewelry for sponsoring this part of today's vlog. Everything is linked down below if you want to check it out. Now let's finish our studio reset. Oh.